Alright, so we're supposed to compare the difference between the conventional and the solid state hard drives. I have two different Samsung devices here. This one will start with the solid state drive. It has 120 gigabytes, 250, 500, and then those. As you can see, it has for performance, has up to 540 megabits per second, I assume. And then compared to this second one, if you go down to the specifications, they are slightly different. The RPMs are different. I believe the RPMs in the other one were lower. It doesn't show the RPMs. Thought it did. Okay, so for the details on it, the form factor is 2.5 inches, 500 gigabytes, 3D virtual, SATA3 Samsung MTG controller. As for the other one, this is bare drive SATA 6 gigabytes, capacity is 2 TB, cache is 32 megabytes, average seek time 12 ms, average latency 5.6 ms, RPMs are 5400. The dimensions on this are 2.5, which is the same as the other model. The height is 9.5 millimeters, width is 69.85 millimeters, and length is 100.35, compared to the other one, which is 7 millimeters, 69.85 in width millimeters, depth is 100 millimeters, and weight is 0.10 pounds. The weight on the other one, it does not say the weight. But as you can see, there's the dimensions for this one and the dimensions for that one. Yeah, the five comparable differences would be the capacity, the differences in the two, how high the variety in which they are different. The dimensions aren't that different. I can't compare the RPMs because I can't find the difference in it. It's the same website. They're both Samsung, but unfortunately the specs on either one are different and don't show exactly the same, so it's slightly difficult to compare the two accurately. As you can see, this one shows slightly different specs than the other one did. A little bit more of, or those aren't specs, those are features. The performance, it shows a little bit different options. It shows different, chooses to show different parts of the item. Here's a return policy. I believe this is a slant drive. It's not. Anyway, those are the two devices that we were supposed to compare. Thank you.